Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol FCEL. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. So if you go there, I'll explain in detail. Did this analysis on Monday, so that is where the red and green line annotations are coming from. But after today's price movement, want to do a little house cleaning first, and first area, just get rid of that. Sure, that level pertains. It's just not relevant right now from the presentation standpoint. I don't want to risk causing clutter and confusion because there's lines all over the place. So let's try to keep this as clean as possible from the annotation standpoint. The first thing to not really update, but just adjust, is 85 cents was that level of resistance going into today, and it did get broken. Problem is the price never was able to actually stay up above it. But what I want to do here is now adjust this level up, and now that we have more information, it's looking like the newest key level of resistance is right there at 86 cents. So the key dynamic here, though, is what direction was the resistance adjusted? And whenever resistance levels need to be adjusted higher, that is certainly a good problem to have from the bullish side of things. Now, if you're bearish, then yeah, you definitely don't want to see resistance levels being adjusted higher. But if you're bullish, that is a nice little attribute there to have take place today, where I was forced to adjust that area of resistance higher. From the technical point of view, definitely a good thing to see. As far as levels of support are concerned, nothing new here to update. Confirmation would probably be more of a key term. Confirmation what way? Well, I talked about this green line here being that level of support, and you can see during the first 30 minutes right there found support, and then later on in the afternoon once again found support right there. So good to see that that 81 cent mark is indeed still holding as support. And then from the overarching point of view, continue to watch that purple line there, the 50-period simple moving average. And as the name implies, as the week plays out, that line will continue to move itself higher and higher. So those are going to be all the key levels going forward. The trend remains fine. It's all in the bulls' favor, and we'll see if the price can continue to chip away and build those higher bases or not. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.